What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and installment number 2 of Project 428. As you can see, done drug it out from underneath the carport and been doing some pressure washing and just general cleaning. Next step is get the engine on the stand and then reseal it, meaning valve cover gaskets, oil pan, front and rear main seals, blah 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 blah, and then of course new front engine dress. Pretty sure that water pump's not going to yeah.
Sound like Gibson?
A little bit, but we've done quite a bit of pressure washing. I spared you all the excitement of water spraying across the top of the engine, but we've got the first layer of crud off. The most of it was from the valve covers, as you can clearly see right there. But other than that, I mean, engine's clean. Of course, everything's going to be taken off, replaced, new, all that. But another good shot. I mean, it was just caked. I mean, like inches thick. And a mess. And as you can see, we sprayed some of the stuff out of there. But I know this looks bad, but this is a fantastic freaking engine. It just sat for a while. So just, it's recycling. It's true hot rodding. This engine is fantastic. Can't wait to get this thing cleaned up, get it back in the car.
There it
There he is right there. Yes, sir. Actually, not as bad as I thought down here.
It's pretty clean, huh?
Yeah. You note the gray on the oil pan. The newer ones, I'm not 100% sure on the year they started doing them black. Alright. Pretty sure that throwout bearing was done anyway.
I bet you that clutch looks good.
It pulled.
A little rusty, but
I bet you it's a good clutch.
probably is.
Flywheel looks good. They ate up.
Yeah. No chewing on the flywheel. Nice nice spider right there hanging out.
That's too big.
And a good thing, like the deal with this motor, as you can see, all the smog is still intact. Like, the car was rough, but it hadn't been dicked with. You don't need silicone on your throttle body, guys. Just a quick tip. You don't need all that. Just saying.
Don't need plugs.
Yeah. Come on. Other than those obvious things, looks like the car needed a heater core too.
Issues on freeze plug gone.
Oh wait. Pull this clutch off, see what we can see here. And that's without the good stuff in it.
Oh, I think be a little bit left in the bottom in Lynchburg.
Yeah, somebody had a bunch of them for sale a while back.
Yeah, I got out at Selma.
I was thinking somebody real close had them.
Yellow. How much is a drum? Cheaper about a drum? About a barrel? Cheaper about a barrel? So,
Yeah, hold it.
and you actually did ask them to, didn't you? They crazy.
Alright. That disc don't look too bad. Well, okay, never mind.
If I paid $15,000 for a barrel of whiskey, I
Yeah, she's pretty well done.
Alright.
Alright.
How many pictures in the hole?
Alright. Yeah, clutch is
How many plastics?
Clutch is done.
That's right, yeah.
So we're just gonna put a new clutch in it anyway, but oh well. There she boys. There she is, boys. You can see this side's already had new freeze plugs. I think that's just put new ones in the other side. We should be ready to rock and roll.
You said somebody knocked it in with a boat and
Alright. As you can see, this is what happens when cars sit for a little while. Acorns everywhere. I don't even know how in the world they get down in there, but yeah, they do. Yeah, so new freeze plugs. I gotta order a new clutch. Yeah, new motor mounts. Yeah, long way to go. Gasket kit. Yeah, looks like the original.
Yeah, that's mod motor for you.
Yeah,
That's mod.
small block. It's gonna leak. Just part of it.
I'm talking about my mount here. See, it's
Oh, your
mod
mount?
motor, see?
It's set up for mod motor now.
For mod motor, man.
Well, we do coyotes too.
The top two boats are always the same.
Actually, you can start to see iron right there. Look at there. You got a lot of some of the grease off. Y'all won't believe this thing when we sit it down in the car. It'll look awesome.
So,
All right, y'all, so we have birthed a small block Ford. We got it here in the shop, and gonna start disassembling and cleaning up and getting this thing back to good. Anything that is not right on here or can't be cleaned up to look presentable is gonna be gone. So no worries whatsoever. I cannot wait to get this thing back on the K-member and drop it in the car. It's gonna be awesome. Yeah, we still got quite a bit of cleaning to do, but it's crazy. And you can see the original valve covers, and they tried to seal them, keep sealing them up, because these old cork gaskets leak really bad. I'm gonna put the newer style, the metal with the rubber impregnated into them that seal up really good, and you don't have to put valve covers on again, and they're reusable. But I mean, you can see they've tried for years to make these cork gaskets work, and they don't. And then also back here, same deal. They just got stuff gooped up everywhere trying to stop it from leaking. But pan is gonna come off, gonna get a one-piece oil pan gasket, new front and rear main. Let's see, motor mounts, clutch, water pump, obviously. Smog is gonna be gone, new alternator. I don't know, maybe we'll see if that one charges. Make sure the injectors are good. If they're not, we've got probably 1,000 of them. But yeah, super cool. All right, everybody, I hope you were super excited about this build, because I am. Yes, I am. But again, this is the car, and what's gonna happen is this, and right now I'm just calling it 428, Project 428, 4-cylinder to V8. This is probably the straightest, most rust-free, cleanest 4-cylinder body we could find anywhere. Already has good headlights in it, already has the 8.8. I showed you in the introductory video. It will be 4-lug and all that. We're getting rid of that stuff. But this car, you can see brand new carpet, headliner, all the interior is going to be black. I mean, this is going to be EFI. I mean, it will be done right. You will not be able to tell that this was an original 4-cylinder car, other than the VIN number or the title. So, and again, and I've kind of alluded to this, yes, I am giving this away to one of my patron subscribers. If you want to check out the patron page, the link is always in the description. Go check it out. And not only can you be entered to win this, I give away over $1,000 a month in giveaways every single month. All these videos are pre-released there, and now we're giving away a car, because one way or another, I'm gonna give away a car. And so this is it. Whether we hit that 500 mark or not, that's the other thing, is the odds are only 1 in 500. Like 500 and it shuts down, nobody else can sign up. That's the beauty of it, and I think it's pretty freaking awesome. And the guys that are on there, I cannot thank enough for making what I do possible by supporting me in that way. So I hope that, you know, giving back and letting you see this build basically done from start to finish on the channel, and then hopefully the winner is within reason, and I'm gonna load it up on the trailer and I'm gonna deliver it to you. We're gonna make a video about that too. So that is what is up, guys. Hit the link below for the Patreon page. Check out the subscription. I promise you'll love it. Super good deal. Helps me do what I do and make these builds possible. So in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button.